guys, I just wanted to share a quick installation vid of the Deepcool RGB 350 LED kit. And you can see here the contents on the back. It's got the remote, the controller, which has a little IR sensor, and two extensions that go into the LED strips. One of them's longer, like it's got an extra extension, and you have to use that because you can see the pins there. It's female to male, so if you take out that extension, the strip, which is female, can actually plug in, so you have to use it even on a mid-tower case, so there'll be a bit of leftover extra wire, but that's fine. So this is my case. It's an InWin 303 and it's 3 years old, so there's a bit of dust buildup you can see on the fans, but I've already installed I've routed the LED strips and the sensor to the front, and you can see how they connect. It's just really simple. There's two arrows and you just line the arrows up. And the LED strips themselves, you can see here the quality next to a G502 mouse. So that's about how long they are. Standard mouse, it's an extended mouse pad, but the length of a mouse pad, pretty much. And the back is magnetic. There's no adhesive. So this is the shorter part of the strip without the extension, and I'm just going to put this here on the top above the fans and let's see how strong the magnets are. Okay, so once I've got it all the way across, it seems to be holding, but the weight of the cable might be pushing on it a bit. So I'll push this cable back through. Oh, it just fell. Okay, so now we'll see if I can actually get it to hold. Okay, so I'm going to push this cable. The weight of the cable was actually pulling on it a bit. Okay, one sec. There we go. So here's the shorter strip. Pushing the cable and the controller out the back. I'll probably zip tie the extra length of cable. And you can see, like, my case isn't actually made for bling, it's more functionality. So yeah, that seems to be holding now that I've taken the hanging part of the cable. And here's the lower one, which should just, yeah, that sticks strong. So I'll show you that. I'm just sticking it down at the bottom, along the bottom, the side panel. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to put the side cover back on and hope I haven't bumped anything loose that causes the drives not to show up. Okay, so that's how it looks normally, and yeah, when I turn it on, hopefully we'll see what happens. Okay, the LEDs came straight on. This is what I like about this kit. It was roughly 800 pesos delivered from Lazada, Philippines, and it's got a remote, so I don't have to have the lights on all the time, and I don't have to stuff around with software. It's got that IR sensor, so if I turn them off, that's how my case looked before the kit was installed.